Good morning. I'm heading east into the sunrise once again. It's a fantastic morning to be out on the water once again. It is going to be a high of 79 degrees. Winds around 8 or 9 miles per hour out of the northeast. And the water temps are still cool, so I decided to do some freshwater fishing. Gonna target specks, also known as crappie up north. Gonna be using some minnows, at the same time probably using some shiners for some largemouth bass. Going to a lake nearby, and I should be there in about 20 minutes. Thank you all for watching my last video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000. That fog almost looks like a storm is rolling through.
Hey, some raindrops, come here. Come down 46 on one of those bridges.
I started off catching the first fish. Then Dad quickly evened the score. Having any luck back there?
I'm right here on the side.
What are you using as bait?
There's a big minnow in this one.
Shortly after moving to a new spot, Dad finally caught his first speck. I think you will too. All right, Dad, so far, what do we have? You're at, what, 9 fish?
9 fish.
What were they?
All bass except for one.
One was a speck?
Crappie, yeah. Speck.
All right. And I'm sitting
Speck
at,
in Florida language.
yeah. And I'm sitting at 6.
Yeah.
6 bass.
15 fish.
And we've been out here for, let's see, 5 hours. A bit over 5 hours.
Not bad.
So far, it's been a pretty good day. Once the fog lifted, it turned out to be a beautiful day out. Very light winds. Back in this spot, we were able to land a few more fish. I caught the only pickerel of the day. My dad caught almost a 6-pound mudfish. I finally got my first speck of the day, followed by Dad catching another one, and then I closed it off with the last bass of the evening. Sun up to sundown. 10 straight hours. Well, that was a heck of a day. Total, between my dad and I, we caught 23 fish. My dad also lost about 7 or 8. So that would have made 30, maybe 31 fish overall. But actually landed 23 fish. My dad got me by 3. We caught all 5 species that I think live in that lake. Largemouth bass, specks, pickerel, bluegill, brim, and gar. My dad caught the largest fish, which was the mudfish, and it came in at almost 6 pounds. Most fish we caught of any species was the bass. However, they were all under like 1.5 pounds, but still fun to catch. We were using shiners and minnows, and it was just a great day. We fished for a little over 10 hours, from sun up to sundown, and we still had some bait left over, and they were still lively, but we threw them back in the lake. But yeah, it's a great day. Heading back to the house, and just wanted to give you a recap. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoy the photos I put in the video and the scenic views. Until next time.